Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Plan With Me. I actually have a mini kit here, which is one of the newer kits in the shop. I will go into the shop problems we currently have in a second. I'm just letting you guys know what I am using this week. This is the Sunny Sunflower, and I pulled out some washi. I just grabbed this one because it kind of like matched the kit, and I wasn't really feeling the yellow color washi I have, or the very little yellow color washis I have. So I just pulled out the minted one, which is in the shop. Yeah, so the first things I'm just gonna go through and add in all my washi, obviously. I kind of wanted to touch base on some of the things that are happening with the shop. I'm actually going to talk through this plan with me. I haven't done one of these in so long. I always do like the voiceover ones, and I feel like I like miss talking on some points. So hopefully I don't ramble. But anyway, I just kind of like want to let you guys know that we do have some website problems. I have talked to Shopify, and for some reason it keeps like disconnecting my domain. Now, if you don't know what a domain is, it's basically what the URL is when you type in like a website. So that's connected to my Shopify account. That way when you go to like GabrielaElenaDesigns.com, it links you to the Shopify account. So right now I will link both links down below, but just in case it's working on the My Shopify account sometimes it is not, and I'm really sorry about that. I'm gonna call Shopify again just to see if they have an update. I have emailed them several times. At first it was actually, I'm pretty sure, I thought it was where I had purchased the domain, mainly because the website where I originally purchased the domain, I purchased it like 10 years ago, and it was totally fine, and then they switched companies or like owners or something, and I started getting problems with it a few years back, and it wasn't really a big problem. Let's see, hold on. Yeah, so it wasn't really a big problem until like recently, where all of my websites started to go down all at once, and yeah, so I started to move around all my domains to the one that I use for like clients and stuff. So that's why I don't think it's the host itself. I think it's a Shopify issue, because it's happened like both times. So it was when I had the domain on the other host, and then the new one which I switched to. So yeah, so I think that's why it keeps going down. I'm not really sure. But again, I've been fighting with Shopify for the past like 2 weeks to do this, and I figured I'd just let you guys know what is going on. It sure works sometimes. It sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. I've had orders go through. Orders are fine. That one I'm just checking myself and stuff. So yeah, actually, I kind of wish I had put this here. Oh well. But in case you're wondering, I've looked online to get some undo for the past few months. I ran out of mine a couple months ago, actually, and it's been out of stock for months. So I have no idea when it's going back in stock, and yeah, and I haven't gone to a store in like 5 months, so there's that as well. Yeah, I think what I'm going to do is put this one here on the bottom. I'm going to leave a little tiny bit, like a little white space on my sidebar. And then I'm just going to add one of these to kind of like label at the top what the sidebar is for. Yeah. And there's a little tiny space, and I have no idea what I'm going to put there, but maybe, I have no idea. I'll figure it out. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing really well during this time. I know a lot of people went back to school. I think I'm gonna be going back to, or not like going back to school. I think I'm gonna do some online classes to do a couple of things that I like never really learned, and I've been trying to learn myself, but it's not really working. So I think what I'm gonna do is take those classes. That way I actually, you know, have a better understanding of what I'm doing wrong when I'm trying to do this, because teaching yourself is not the same. So I think that's what I'm going to do this fall. So if you guys don't see a lot of new releases coming up, it's mostly probably because I got busy or, you know, something happened. There's also a few like family problems we're doing right now, and I probably won't touch on that any more than what I just said. I just want to let you guys know, in case I like don't have new releases all the time, it's probably just because I got busy. I'm gonna try to do some new releases, and oh, I don't know why I pulled this one up. Actually, let's put this one back. So yeah, just in case you guys think that I'm like disappearing, I am not. I have things going on right now and stuff. And okay, I'm gonna put this one here. I wish I could have put this one the other way, portrait instead of like landscape mode. Oh well, I'll just put this here, the little like checklist, and then I'll add in something. We've been doing takeout like on the weekends, at least just once a week, and yeah, I'll just do that. And then we did get groceries delivered on Monday. I got some groceries delivered. It wasn't really much. It was like appetizers and like chicken. I'm just gonna stick this one here and then write like plan with me, really small letters. Health wise, actually, because I just saw the weight sticker, because I just saw like the little weight sticker. We did buy a treadmill. I'm gonna do this on here and just kind of like do this as like a workout thing, because I'm not even sure what I'm doing this week. Yeah, so normally use the sidebar for like an overview of like what I'm doing for the week. I think I'm just gonna do that for workouts. And I'm gonna do a currently watching sticker. I'm gonna put this one on Wednesday. I don't even know what I'm currently watching anymore. I think I finished the majority of the shows we were watching like last week. Oh, I was watching the Dolly Parton show on Netflix, so I think I'm just gonna finish that one this week. So I'll probably just write that one there. And then I'm just putting the laundry sticker on Tuesday, which is technically today. I had a bunch of stuff to do yesterday, and I was trying to deal with like the website thing, and I emailed them and stuff. So that camera battery died and I had to charge it. And then I also had lunch. What was I doing? Oh, all right, so I was doing some deco work on here. I think what I'm gonna do is just use most of them. The cleaning sticker, I've been trying to clean like at least like one thing like a day, or do something more productive. Actually, that does not, I don't want that there. Yeah, I'm just gonna stick this one up here. I've been trying to do like a little bit more of something small to do a day. It's kind of just easier to do it that way. And I'm just gonna stick this one here, that way I can just write down what the chore is. And what else do we have? I need to add in a couple more checklists. I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. That one does a little overlap, but that's okay. I'll just write really small. I don't need a checklist there, but I think I'm going to use one of these quarter boxes. And just to cover this up just a tiny bit, I'm just going to use another one of these flags here. And a couple more things. I need to make my dog an appointment for the vet. We did make him a bath appointment, long overdue haircut, and I need to make him a vet appointment. So I think we're just gonna write that there for that. And then this one I'm going to add to the the laptop one, and just kind of like fix the website on here. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill in a couple things that need to get done. That way I am done for the week. Okay, everyone, so that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I left a few things blank as usual, since I'm not really sure if things are changing. There's some things up in the air. As far as I know, there are new releases on Friday. If there are still website issues, I'll let you guys know if I'm gonna postpone new releases or anything. I just kind of want to let you guys know exactly what was going on for the past couple of weeks. If anything happens, I'll probably just update Etsy. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing that this week. That way I have Etsy a little bit more updated. So I'm gonna start adding fall and winter things also to the shop anyway. So I think that's a good transition. That is it for this plan with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.